In this video, I will show you how to get perfect outlines every time using carbon paper. Using carbon paper is an excellent artist hack that allows you to draw or paint anything realistically. It comes in various colours, but I am using black. You'll need to put the shiny side facing down onto the paper that you're transferring to. It's a good idea to lightly tape the paper into place so it doesn't move around. You will need to place a printed off image that you would like to transfer on top of the carbon paper and also tape it into place so it isn't moving around and all the outlines line up. With a pencil, you'll need to draw over the outlines of your image and any detail that you choose to include. Be aware that the harder you press, the darker the transferred line will be, whereas less pressure will produce a lighter marking. It is a good idea to check everything is being transferred to the paper. To do this, lift up one side to see underneath, but be sure to hold the other side down as to keep the same place on return. As you can see here, I missed some of the outline and detail, so I'm just going to go back and quickly fill this in. Try not to rest your hand on the image when drawing, or put any pressure on the image you're copying as it will transfer and it's very hard to remove as it does not rub out easily. The image will also transfer onto the carbon paper, which can be reused multiple times. You can get many drawings out of this one sheet. And that is how I get the outline for most of my paintings and portrait drawings. This particular outline was for my watercolour horse painting, and if you want to see how I painted that, please check out the video that is linked below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like it and subscribe. See you next time.